flying opposite way.
Oh, you're going the other way?
You know what? No, not a good idea. Not a good idea. The plane does not hit it right. Oh my God, this does not like this fuel.
No, it's just junk.
Oh, you hear it? It's like wide open there and it is barely moving. Oh, they're gonna have a nap here. And it's just quick and slow.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
You can do 14 loops and I'll still be behind you. I want to drop in early over here to stay away from the dark trees. Oh, jeez.
What's that little, oh, that's a Bushmaster.
Bush. She got moved. Looking after any of you guys.
Yeah.
Great. Another guy that's faster than me.
You talked to Rob about that fuel.
I'm gonna have to give Rob shit for that fuel.
Whoa.
Hello.
That was Ducky.
Oh, I can't go any faster, man. I got little legs.
The hamsters don't run fast enough.
Yeah, that 10% fuel, whatever
I'm going back
how
around
old that
here.
is, it's got like no giddy up anymore. I need the magic nitro bottle to add to it.
Burned off?
Hey?
The nitro
I don't know. It's half a jug of fuel that Rob had. And yeah, I know this plane is way faster than this, and it is barely moving.
Here comes a Bushmaster. He's keeping up with me.
Yeah.
That thing hauls.
Oh yeah, no, it was flying pretty good there. I seen some knife edges and everything. I haven't taken it off a freaking wide open. Oh, another guy faster than me.
Is he a Bushmaster too?
I don't know what that plane is, to tell you the truth.
Looks like Trickster.
It's electric.
It looks like a precision flyer.
Stranger danger.
I'm gonna go up after you guys go around.
No, come up when we'll take off when we're coming.
No, we like that kind of
Yeah,
stuff.
we need some mayhem.
What could go wrong, right?
What could go wrong?
That's
No.
only because you think the small electric will lose the battle.
Put our skills to the test.
There's no time we get more than one or two guys flying at once.
The goal really should be 5 flyers, right? You
Oh
have 5
shit, yeah.
planes.
Oh
How are you
yeah.
gonna learn anything not to hit other planes if you
I think we do 7 or 8. I think we're
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
get
How do
everybody
you
up
do
there.
target practice if no one else is in
pull
the
a
air?
flight test maneuver there where you got freaking.
Why did you jump back so fast? I think.
Because I'm assuming he's filming.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've seen you move that fast.
I don't want to
holy
be in the
shit.
shot. No, every time we go by, I know he's filming, so
I know your head's always
I
there.
don't want my giant melon in your freaking shots. Oh, sure. Fancy twisties. and shiza.
That's what you call doing loops around you.
Yeah, you're doing circles around me. Christ. That's what I get.
Come
I'm gonna
on.
have to fly like an inside circle
There you go.
on the inside.
There
Basically,
you go.
to pretend I'm faster.
Yeah.
Yeah, just cut the corners.
Yeah, I'm
Go
just gonna
way
keep
faster.
cutting the circuit shorter. I'm trying to get away from here.
I was on the outside.
Dropping in. Yeah, she's moving.
I think I need a haircut. Let me know.
Yeah.
Get that trim done.
All right, I might not be fast, but I can go upside down ways. Where is everybody there? Everybody over there?
Yeah, we're on the same frame.
Okay, yep. Well, upside down ways. Come on, girl. Get over there. Woo! I'm dying.
I'm not used to flying at half throttle all the time.
Not you can
Seems
snuff
kind of
out
weird.
that Yeah, I thought, oh. Well, the engine's mounted inverted, so when I fly upside down, it seems supposed to run better, but it doesn't. Jesus.
Landing guys from the south.
Yep.
Landing. We'll aim from the north.
Yeah, we should try that sometime.
Yeah,
eh?
yeah. Yep.
Dueling landings.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we have to.
What are we at here? 1:00. Yeah, I'm at a minute too, so.
I got 3 minutes.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I think this is, yeah, this is it. Landing on the face side there. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the time I get there, I'll be. I'm assuming you're still running because I don't hear you. I see the smoke. Gently, gently. Oh yeah, she does not like that freaking fuel. Everybody cleared. I'll just come out the other side.
Yeah, I gotta take nose weight out of this. She's a little nose heavy.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Guess I should land. I'm gonna come in from the north.
You coming in?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll be coming in from the north out the tower.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That was a little high. I'm gonna walk out and get it.
Okay.
I don't like wrecking my gear.
Come in, Kevin, but I'll be careful.
Yeah.
30 seconds.